Mid-market companies are facing a new reality in 2026. Data is no longer simple, small, or slow-moving. As businesses expand across digital channels, customer touchpoints, and multiple operational systems, reliance on Excel is creating more challenges than solutions. Manual data handling, version control issues, and delayed reporting are slowing decision-making at a time when speed and accuracy are critical. Teams spend more time preparing and cleaning data than actually analyzing it. As a result, Excel is struggling to keep up with the growing scale and complexity of modern business operations. To overcome these challenges, organizations are turning to business intelligence dashboards, tools designed to consolidate, visualize, and analyze data in real time. Solutions like Bold BI enable mid-market companies to move from static spreadsheets to dynamic, interactive dashboards that drive faster, smarter decisions. The shift from Excel to BI dashboards reflects a fundamental change in how businesses operate and make decisions. For data handling, Excel has a limited capacity and slows with large data sets, while BI dashboards handle large, complex data sets efficiently. For data updates, Excel requires manual refresh, while BI dashboards are presented in real time or automated. With data sources, Excel isolates files, while BI dashboards integrate multiple data sources. Excel has basic static charts for visualization, while BI dashboards have interactive dynamic visuals. As for collaboration, Excel versions conflict while sharing files, while BI dashboards provide real-time cloud-based collaboration. For automation, Excel provides manual workflows, while BI dashboards use automated workflows. Excel has limited scale, while BI dashboards are highly scalable. Excel is increasingly being used as a tactical tool, while BI dashboards are becoming the strategic foundation for data-driven organizations. Adopting BI dashboards offers significant advantages for mid-market companies, including faster decision-making. Real-time insights allow leaders to act immediately, rather than waiting for periodic reports. Improved data accuracy. Automation reduces human errors caused by manual data entry and complex formulas. Unified data view. BI dashboards combine multiple data sources into a single cohesive view of the business. Self-service analytics. Non-technical users can explore data independently, reducing reliance on IT teams. Enhanced collaboration. Teams can access shared dashboards, ensuring everyone works with the same data. Increased productivity. Employees spend less time preparing reports and more time analyzing insights. These benefits mean that BI dashboards can transform your business. With a BI tool like Bold BI, accessing and analyzing data becomes simple and accessible, even for non-technical users. As a self-service platform, it allows anyone to connect data, build dashboards, and monitor business performance without needing specialized skills. To illustrate, consider an Excel dataset you use to track sales performance. Instead of relying on manual updates and static reports, Bold BI enables you to transform this data into dynamic, interactive insights. Let's look at how to achieve this. Start by logging into the Bold BI dashboard server and navigating to the Data Sources section. From there, click Create New Data Source and select Excel from the available connectors. Once selected, enter a name for your data source and optionally add a description. You can configure additional settings such as the extract engine or file path, but in most cases, the default settings work perfectly fine. Simply select and upload your Excel file. Then connect it. After uploading, a preview window will appear, allowing you to validate your data. Once confirmed, you'll be directed to the Data Source Designer, where you can drag and drop tables to structure your dataset. After reviewing the data, save your configuration. With your data source ready, you can now make a dashboard by selecting Create Dashboard. In the Dashboard Designer, You can drag and drop visual elements based on your requirements. For example, you might add a bar chart, resize it, and assign relevant data fields such as values and columns. You can further customize labels, properties, and formatting to suit your needs on the Properties tab. I'll update the name and preview this example. Within moments, your Excel data is transformed into an interactive visual that allows you to track sales performance and make data-driven decisions with ease. In addition to visualization, Bold BI enhances your data analysis through AI capabilities. You can ask natural language questions to receive instant insights and get concise summary of your data. This combination of self-service analytics and AI-compiled insights enables faster, more confident decision-making, helping you move beyond manual reporting to a smarter, data-first approach. While many BI tools exist, mid-market companies need solutions that are powerful, scalable, and easy to adopt. Bold BI meets these needs through its robust features. Seamless data integration allows you to connect to multiple data sources like customer relationship management, enterprise resource planning, and other marketing tools, creating a unified analytics environment. Real-time analytics help you monitor business performance live and respond quickly to changes. Interactive dashboards and rich visuals help you build engaging dashboards through charts, KPIs, maps, and grids for deeper insights. Through embedded analytics, you can integrate dashboards directly into applications and workflows for better accessibility. The self-service drag-and-drop designer helps you create dashboards without coding using an intuitive interface. AI enhancements allow you to use natural language queries to quickly uncover trends and metrics. Enterprise-grade security ensures your data is protected by secure access control and detailed audit tracking. By directly addressing challenges like data complexity, speed, and accessibility, Bold BI becomes more than a reporting tool. It becomes a strategic asset for growth. To learn more about Bold BI, visit boldbi.com. Start a free 30-day trial by clicking the Try It Free option. If you want a demo from an expert, schedule a call by clicking Request Demo. If you find this video helpful, click the like button and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you for watching.